Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the setting and preparing a neutral reference. Open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and locate the True Tone toggle. Turn Night Shift off so warm filters don't confuse you. Once done, place a plain white paper next to the screen and have a neutral image ready in Photos for comparison. Make sure ambient lighting is typical for your room. The True Tone sensor responds to surrounding light, so moderate indoor light gives the most reliable result. Now you'll perform side-by-side comparisons to see how True Tone shifts color temperature. First, open the neutral image or the photo of white paper. Observe the screen with True Tone on. Then switch the toggle off and watch for immediate color change, in particular, shifts toward cooler blue or warmer amber. Take quick photos of the screen with your other device if you need a record. Make sure to repeat the toggle a couple times. Consistency confirms the sensor is actively adjusting white balance. Finish by deciding if True Tone produces natural whites for your use. If it does, leave it enabled. If you saw no change or erratic shifts, restart your iPhone, install the latest iOS, and try again. Resetting all settings can restore the toggle if software is at fault. If problems persist, no toggle, no change, or extreme color drift, make sure to mention the ambient light sensor when contacting Apple support, because a faulty sensor or hardware issue is the most common root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.